Morning, folks. It is a beautiful, sunny, 40-degree, breezy day here. I'm not complaining. Blue sky and sun is really good. So, this is my drying rack. There's been a lot of questions on this drying rack. I will put a link down below where I got this. It was Amazon. I am very, very pleased with it, folks. It's 6 trays, and it's tall. I've got it, I put a spike in the 2x4 here and just hung it up. And the geese. And it takes just about a week inside my place with the fire on and off. And we've had a lot of rain, right? So there's been humidity, but the wood stove, if I kept it running, would keep the humidity away from the onions, but I let my fire go out a few times. So I'm going to plan on about a week for a tray for all of this, okay? That's what I'm going to plan on. Now, if we get a lot of days that's sunny and warm and breezy, I'll just put them out here. So this is, pardon my appearance, folks. I've got my big and baggies on today because I have been busy. And I don't care what happens to these clothes, so just pardon my appearance. So, this is, I don't know, it's got to be 4 feet, 2 feet wide, and it comes in this little package here. And I thought at first they sent me the wrong size, but they didn't. Because it is spring loaded, folks, so be very careful. If you get this, it's spring loaded. So keep it away. What I did was opened it and just tossed it on my floor in the house, and it just sprang open like a, I don't know, jack-in-a-box. So it comes in this. It comes in its own little carrying bag, but I probably won't even bother putting it back in here because it's collapsible, right? So you can just put it up there and tuck it away somewhere, right? So it comes with a pair of gloves, folks. Now these gloves I'm pretty impressed with. They're elastic on the wrist, and I worked in my garden with these, folks, and dirt never went through. I was in the mud, and the mud never went through. My hands were dry and clean when I took these off. So I'm pretty impressed with the gloves. I don't know why they would send it with this. I have no idea. People don't want to get their hands dirty when they're, I don't know. But now I've got a pair of garden gloves. They're freebies, and they're pretty comfortable, folks. So it also comes with a small set of pruning shears, probably for herbs. That's what Shay thought. I don't know. But I wouldn't want to be cutting elderberry bushes with them, or pruning elderberry bushes, but that comes with it. I haven't even taken it out of the package. I have no idea. So, it comes like this. There's an elastic. There's 2 elastic straps that kind of hold it from springing out on you. And there's also like a pretty big rugged S hook that comes with it, because there is a Velcro hook up there, but I'm just going to put it on a spike. I think a spike with the head on it will, even if I get a breeze coming from every which way, I think it'll stay there better than an S hook. But it also comes with an S hook that's about 4 inches long, okay? So these are all dried, folks. There might be 1 or 2 in there where I didn't divide the onions that still need to dry, but it's a dry, breezy, sunny day, so I'm just going to top them off out here. Now I'm curious to how much 10 pounds of raw onion dehydrates down to in weight, and I'm also curious to as to the volume this will take up, it certainly won't take up as much as 10 pounds of onions, right? So it may fit in a quart jar, it may fit in 2-quart jars, I do not know, or pints, or half gallon, or whatnot, right? So I'll let you know on the volume, and I'll let you know on the weight. So, and this is mesh all the way around. These holes here, the mesh, I do not think that fruit flies can get in there, folks. The mesh is pretty fine. And it also comes with, you know, nylon zippers, but they open up pretty good. You can get your hand in there and do whatever. So that's pretty good. And for as inexpensive as this is, and again, I'll put a link down below where I got this. It's made pretty good. That Velcro up there is about 1.5 inches wide, the strap, and it's pretty rugged Velcro, folks. So you can probably put something heavier than onions in there. Maybe. I don't know. I'm going to try apples, and I'll do my berries this way, and I'll be doing a lot of things throughout the summer. So I like this enough, so I think I'm going to get more of these. And I can hang them right up, move this sideways. I could probably hang 3 right across here. It's the south is that way, and I get a lot of breeze because I'm in the open, right? So they should do very well. They should do very well. We'll see. We'll see. So, oh, here's the S hook right here. That's the S hook. I don't know how you can see it, but it's about 4 inches. I'd rather use a spike. I just would. So I'll put a link down below. I'll keep you updated on the volume and the weight. And I don't know if I will get to that today or not. If I do get to that today, there'll be a part 2 to this video, okay? So I'm pretty impressed, and Shelly, thank you so much for getting me back into dehydrating. It's kind of fun. It's kind of exciting. It's all experimental, doing it this way. Now I have made my own drying trays before, and it worked rather well. But I think for $20, I can't beat that with my time alone. So this is all right. This is all right. So again, sorry about my big and baggies, but I've been doing wood, I've been doing dirt, I've been doing compost, I've been in the chicken coop today, folks, and the chicken run, and the guinea coop. So there's that, folks. Stay tuned.